Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming something very special, and this isn't a regular tech unboxing. We are here at the suit room in Motherhood Hospital, Hebbal, and I'm excited to share the happiest news with all of you. We have welcomed our beautiful baby daughter into our lives. On top of that, the hospital surprised us with 3 complimentary welcome gifts. So let's unbox them together and see what's inside. So let's start with the first gift. It's from R for Rabbit. It's a nice sliding style box, and since I don't have my tripod with me today, my wife is helping me with the filming. Let's see what we get inside. First, there is a baby on board car sticker with a suction mount, which is a nice little addition. Next, we have a pack of R for Rabbit baby wipes, followed by a sample pack of R for Rabbit diapers. 3 diapers to try out. These are all sample sized products, but they're useful for new parents who want to test different brands before buying larger packs. Now let's move on to the FirstCry welcome hamper. It comes wrapped in plastic. While the presentation looks premium, I do wish there was a little less plastic packaging for environmental reasons. The box itself looks really nice with cute baby graphics and a congratulatory message. Let's open it up. Next, we have Pampers Premium Care Pants diapers and also Pampers taped diapers. Personally, we prefer the pant styles because I think they're much easier to put on and remove, especially as the baby becomes more active. But it's great that they include both options so parents can decide what works best. Moving on, we have a moisturizing lip balm from a brand called Orini. Honestly, I haven't heard of this brand before, so it will be interesting to try it out. There's also a teddy bar cleansing bar designed for sensitive baby skin. It says it's 100% soap-free, which sounds promising for newborn skincare. And finally, we have a small pack of Baby Hug 99% water wipes. Overall, this hamper contains several useful sample products that parents can try before purchasing full-sized versions. Now my favorite surprise, the complimentary celebration cake. It's from La Heaven Cake Boutique and it looks really beautiful with white chocolate decorations and chocolate branding on top. We cut the cake together with the family here at the hospital and it tasted really good. It was a lovely way to celebrate this special occasion. Overall, we had a wonderful experience, and these complimentary welcome gifts were a thoughtful gesture for new parents. Once again, we are incredibly grateful and excited to begin this new chapter of our lives with our little daughter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.